Hello! Today we're going to see the first way of how to use math at home. During the quarantine, my wife has got me building her a garden bed. There it is. And now, before I put it all together, this is just the beginning, I need to figure out if this is an actual rectangle or if it's off, because I'm a mildly better mathematician than I am carpenter. So far, I have measured both sides, and I have found that one side is 95 inches and the other side is 48.5 inches. So I'm going to use our little theorem from Pythagoras and figure out if it's square or not. So there's my calculations, and in order for that to be a 90-degree angle, if my diagonal is 106.6 inches, that means that I have made a square rectangle garden box. So let's check it out. Measure it up, and my diagonal is almost 106 2/3. Turns out I got lucky, and it is actually square. Make sure you're using math during your days off so you can keep your skills good. See you next time.